If there's a magic potion that can give you some calmness and coolness, then this health drink is the one for you. The ingredients are milk, pistachios, almonds, poppy seeds, cardamom, fennel, and honey. In a pan, we will take 1/4 cup of poppy seeds, also known as couscous. To this, we will add 1/4 cup of almonds. Then let's add 1/4 cup of pistachios. After this, we will add 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds. Let's add 18 cardamom pods. Now we will roast the mixture on medium heat for almost 8 minutes. Let's talk about the nutritional benefits. This natural energy drink is rich in antioxidants, is good for digestion and hormonal balance, and also helps in healthy weight gain, especially in kids. Let's take 2 pints of whole milk. Here I have taken full fat milk. I normally avoid skimmed and semi-skimmed milk as a lot of sugar is added in them to balance the taste due to the fat elimination. Clean as you go, very important. Now let's grind the mixture once it's cooled down. Let's sift the mixture to remove large particles. This mixture can be stored in an airtight container for 4 to 6 weeks. It should be consumed in moderation. You can also add this mixture in your or your kids' breakfast. Now let's add 4 tablespoons of this mixture into the milk. Now let's add a teaspoon of honey. This is completely optional. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.